Hey YouTube, I'm going to show you two ways to refill this trimmer. This is a Craftsman V20 battery operated. You can use any brand, and I picked up this in bulk. You could buy them in shorter length, but I do my lawn every week, so you can use any brand. You don't have to use Craftsman. Cut about 18 to 20 feet, but for demonstration this is about 11 feet. First thing you need to do, take off the battery for safety. I'm just going to disassemble this top real quick, right? And you do that by pressing this on both sides. One right there and one on the other side. Just press it down and this thing will come off. And I'm going to show you a couple of things in here. See this tube right here? That's actually a tube, right? And if you line that up with this hole right here, and that's where you feed the line. Let me go ahead and put the top on, and I'll show you one way on how to go about this. All right, let's line up that hole. There it is, completely lined up. Feed the line through it. Pull it. Pull it all the way through until you match. Make sure it's even. And here we go. This is one way, right? Hold this right here and twist this. And that's how you feed it. That's one way, right? I actually prefer a different way where it involves opening this up. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna open this up and show you why I prefer the other way. Here we go. Let's open this up again. If you look closely, this is actually loosely wound, right? And you'll have a lot of these coming out versus that desired amount. So actually the way I like to do it is this way. Let me go ahead and empty this out. The same thing, right? This tube lined up with both external holes. Run the line all the way through. Here it is, right? All right, put the tension by hanging onto the line and hanging onto this. And then rotate this clockwise. Your spool, your line will be tighter as well. Not too tight, right? But just enough with the tension. That is it. Put the cover back on. Make sure that's in place. And that's in place. Good to go. I'm going to show you a third way as a bonus. Take the top off, right? You could take this off as well. A little complicated installing it, but it's the same process. Feed the line through it, through the tube, run it through, and make sure it's all even. Drop this off real quick. There we go. And then make sure that the tube is on top, right? If you're rotating this clockwise, just go this way. Make sure this is on top and rotate this clockwise. Keep doing it. It's a little bit trickier, but it will do. Here it is. Same thing. Little bit of tension, but not too much. And then slap it on, right? This is actually not a perfect square. Just pay attention. There's actually a little bit of round right there. And this goes on top, and there's a square part right here, and I could tell this is the way to go about it. Put it in, feed one of them through the hole. Again, a little tricky. That's one. And then do the same thing on the other side as you press down. There you go. Now you could press all the way down. And put the cap back on. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to click subscribe, click that notification bell. I'll chat with you guys later. Bye for now.